How to fix the horizontal lines on your mobile phone. Hello everybody, my name is Mal and today I will show you how you can solve it. Watch this video till the end to know if you can do it or not. So, sometimes your phone might be suffering from the horizontal lines inside your phone, and that might be because of a software problem or a hardware problem. So no worries, if it is a software problem, then we will try to solve it by using these following steps. So if there is any lines on your phone, then if your phone is on a lighter mode, then it will be harder for you to use it. So I will suggest you to go on the settings and turn your phone to dark mode. And after turning on the dark mode on your phone, still it does show some horizontal lines, then the next thing what you can do is simply go on the software update. So for me right here, when detecting the software update, I cannot get any software update because this is already the latest version for me. But in your device, if there are any software updates given, then do update it. But if there are not any software updates given, then I would suggest you to repair it, because this is not a software problem but a hardware one. So this is how you can do it or solve it if the problem is that. Do try it if you have a problem like this and see if it solves or not. I hope this video will help you. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. For any suggestion or comments, to comment on the below comment section. Thank you for watching the video.